All right, so real quick here on your homework, questions 1 through 5 for this assignment. They're wanting us to write the slope-intercept form of the equation where they will actually tell you what the slope and the y-intercept are. So we know we're going to use y equal mx plus b form, that's slope-intercept form. And all we're going to do, since they tell us the slope is equal to 2, here, actually, let me write this out. Y equal mx plus b. We're just going to replace this m with a 2. So it's going to be y equals 2x, because m stands for the slope. And then the b is your y-intercept. So I'm going to replace that b with a negative 4. So it's going to be y equals 2x minus 4. Or you could say plus negative 4, but don't type that into Canvas. I think it's actually going to count it wrong if you do that. All right. For the other part, they're going to give you a line like this, and they want us to identify, here actually I need to move that in. They want us to identify the, oh, come on. There we go. They're wanting you to identify the slope and the y-intercept, and then write the equation of the line that matches this graph. All right, so on this one, so y equal mx plus b, I'll put that first. So my b is going to be the y-intercept right there, which is at positive 4. So I got that one. B is positive 4. And the slope, I'm going to actually have to kind of look for that. So the slope of the line, I'm looking for those little crosshair points. So there's one, and there's another. All right, so my slope, remember the top number is how much it goes up and down. So that's 2. And the other one is how much it goes left and right. The bottom number is how much it goes left and right. So that is 2. All right, so for this one, I'm just going to put the pieces together. I got my m and I got my b. It's going to be y equals 2x plus 4. And that'll be what you type into Canvas. Yeah, I think that'll do it. Actually, I'll find another example real quick on this. Okay, one more real quick. So we're going to identify the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. So mx plus b. And let's see here. So first off, our slope is negative because it's going downhill. And to calculate the slope, they've actually given us 2 points, but I'm gonna use that point and that point. That's where the little crosshairs are. So my slope is down 1 over 1, which is negative 1 over 1, or you could just call that negative 1. Okay, and then my y-intercept, the b, is actually dead center. In this case, it's a 0. The b is going to be a 0. So for your y equal mx plus b form, it's going to be y equals negative 1x, or you could just say negative x plus 0. That would be it. Or you could just say y equals negative x.